Hello everyone, welcome to Team Decor. Today in this video I share with you some kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Here are some kitchen decoration ideas that can enhance the style and functionality of your space. Open shelving. Display your favorite dishes, glassware, or decorative items on open shelves. It adds a casual, airy feel and makes frequently used items easily accessible. Statement lighting. Consider pendant lights over your island or dining area. Choose fixtures that complement your kitchen's style, whether it's industrial, farmhouse, or modern. Colorful backsplash. A vibrant or patterned backsplash can be a focal point in the kitchen. Subway tiles are classic, with Moroccan or mosaic tiles add an artistic touch. Herb garden. Create a small indoor herb garden on your windowsill or countertops. It's functional and adds a fresh, natural element to the kitchen. Vintage touches. Incorporate vintage items like an old clock, a retro twister, or antique jars. This adds charm and a nostalgic feel. Art and prints. Add framed prints, artwork, or a chalkboard to your kitchen walls. Choose pieces that reflect your personality or theme, such as food-related art for a culinary vibe. Textiles. Use rugs, dish towels, and cushions to introduce color and texture. Choose patterns and fabrics that align with your kitchen's theme, such as gingham or a country look, or bold stripes for a contemporary feel. Stylish storage. Use decorative jars, baskets, and canisters for storing dry goods, utensils, or produce. Glass jars filled with pasta, grains, or speeches also add visual interest. Unique cabinet hardware. Swap out standard cabinet knobs and handles for something unique like brush, ceramic, or vintage style options. Personalized details. Incorporate items that reflect your style, like a family receipt framed on the wall or a collection of cookbooks displayed on a shelf. Floating shelves with hooks. Install floating shelves with hooks underneath for hanging mugs, utensils, or small pots. It adds both storage and style. Decorative cutting boards. Display wooden cutting boards against your backsplash. They add warmth and can be easily accessed when needed. Accent wall. Create an accent wall using print, wallpaper, or shiplap. Choose a color or pattern that contrasts with the rest of the kitchen to create a striking focal point. Vintage appliances. If you love a retro look, consider adding vintage style appliances such as a colorful fridge or a classic stove to bring character to your kitchen. Bold cabinet colors. Paint your cabinets a bold color like navy, forest green, or even black. This can add drama and depth to your kitchen. Pot rack. Install a hanging pot rack to store and display your cookware. It's a great way to save space and add a touch of rustic charm. Statement rug. A large pattern rug can tie the room together and add comfort underfoot. Opt for a design that complements your kitchen's color scheme. Glass front cabinets. Replace some of your cabinet doors with glass front panels. It's an elegant way to showcase your favorite dishes or glassware. Cafe curtains. Add a cozy vintage feel with cafe curtains on your windows. They allow natural light while adding privacy and style. Seasonal decor. Rotate seasonal decorations such as fresh flowers in spring, pumpkins in fall, or a quote in winter. This keeps the kitchen feeling fresh and festive throughout the year. Breakfast nook. If space allows, create a cozy breakfast nook with a small table and comfortable seating. It's perfect your casual meals and adds a homey touch. Chalkboard wall. Paint on wall or a section of a wall with chalkboard paint. Use it for crockery lists, receipts, or daily inspiration. Accent ceiling. Paint or wallpaper the ceiling to add a surprising design elements. Metal accents. Incorporate copper, brush, or stainless steel accents throughout light fixtures, utensils, or bar stools. Decorative tiles. Use patterned or decorative tiles behind the stove to create a stunning backsplash feature. Rolling cart. Add a stylish rolling cart for additional storage and saving space, which can be easily moved around. Thank you so much for watching